Fill in the blanks to complete the equation that describes the diagram. Okay, so we see that first we take 5 steps in the positive direction. Okay, so we begin at 5, and then we take another 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 steps in the positive direction. So we add 9, positive 9, and we end up at 14. 5 plus 9 is 14. Write an addition equation or a subtraction equation, your choice, to describe the diagram. Okay, so the first leg of the journey is taking 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 steps in the positive direction. So 5. And then we take another 2 steps, 1, 2 in the positive direction. So one way to describe this is 5 plus 2 equal 7. So how can we write so this is an addition equation, but how can we write a subtraction equation to describe this diagram? So we could say that we begin 5. Okay, so we take 5 positive steps, but then we subtract a negative 2 steps. Okay, so we end up at 7. So this is also an option. We can say that to begin with we have 5, and then we take away 2 negative, minus 2. If we take away negative, we end up adding this amount, so we end up at 7. So this is also an option. Fill in the blanks to complete the equation that describes the diagram. Okay, so the first leg of the journey is taking 1 step to the left, so we begin at -1. Then we add another 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 steps to the left. So we add another 6 negative steps. So we end up at -7. Wow. Oh, okay, maybe I should take away the parentheses. So I did not make a mistake. The software couldn't read the parentheses, so I took them away. And but if we write this on board, we do need to add the parentheses. I will not write it like so. I will write it like so. So the parentheses are required because I don't put 2 symbols without parentheses between them. Next. Write an addition equation or a subtraction equation, your choice, to describe the diagram. Okay, so the first leg of the journey, we take 9 negative 2 downward, which means 9 negative steps. And then we add another negative 2 steps. We take another 2 steps, right? 1, 2. Each hash mark represents 1, 2. Yeah, each hash mark represents 1 step, 1 number. So we take another negative 2, and we end up at minus 11. So this is an addition, and we could also write it as minus 2, minus 9, minus 2, and we end up at the same number, minus 11. Good. Okay, so in the next video, I will do this practice, interpret negative number addition and subtraction expressions. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next video.